What's up, guys? It's Other here. Today is day 2 of playing every game I own on VR. Today we're playing Animal Company. I'm not in a private clip.
I woke up fresh as hell on my.
I have to get away from those people because this game is kind of racial. Well, my brother bought it for me, so. And I'm not gonna delete it.
I'm almost dead.
Yo!
I'm almost dead.
I don't know, like, any places. Ooh. I know over there there's like a chicken, but it's really scary. I'm not gonna go in there. Because if it turns red, then I can't move, okay? Yeah, that's crazy. Oh no. Here, dude. Here, have it.
I'm about to pee myself. And
what? Bro, I'm stuck.
Yo, hello. If anyone tried to say hello to us, hello.
Stuck. Bro, I'm stuck.
Brave soldier.
Yep, now I finally fell out. I wanted to fall out.
Back. If we go down here,
Hey! Alright, I see how it is. Wait, no, wait, please stop. Help me. Sir, Blue.
Wait, shoot. I don't know where I'm going.
Blue, can you help me?
welcome to low gravity, boys.
What is this? Dude, what is this? Oh, you died.
The present should have just respawned.
Don't go in there. Don't go in there.
Oh, why is it not selling?
Everyone's dead. Then I see
I have to activate them.
Is this working?
Why is it not selling?
It's not working.
Wait, one of them's gone. One of them's gone.
Somebody come down to...
Hello?
Somebody come down to, swamp with me, please. Hello?
Does someone know how to get the...
Everybody, I'm
It's not
stuck.
selling my...
Everybody, I'm stuck in swamp. Everybody, I'm stuck in swamp. Help.
Huh?
I'm stuck in swamp. Help.
I don't think anybody cares, brother.
Just help, please. I don't know how to get out. It's my first time.
Okay.
What is in front of me?
Nothing! You don't...
Somebody come to the chicken with me. Over.
Guys, I died!
Somebody come to the chicken with me. Over.
I made it so far in the mine, and then I died.
Somebody come to chicken with me. Over.
Yeah,
Yeah, come on, Pink. Come on, Pink. Let's go.
764.
Yo! Wait. Come on, let's go to chicken. You distract him, I'll get the egg. Alright? Yeah. Okay. You don't have to speak through. Me and Pink are in the chicken area, so don't come to the chicken area.
I distract the chicken?
Yeah, you distract the chicken and I'll get the egg.
Hold on.
No!
Get back up.
No. Ah! I'm dying. Pink, are you still in kitchen? Over. Pink, are you still in chicken? Over. Pink, are you still in chicken? Over. Pink. Are you in chicken, Pink?
Who wants like to get?
What?
I'm back at the. He wants like $3,000. Guys.
Come.
Yeah, sure. Go to the sewers.
You distract the chicken!
I just have to give everybody treats.
Distract the chicken!
No, it's not a new
Me?
map. It's been up. It's been here.
Yeah!
Okay, guys, let's go.
Wait, go get the egg! Run!
Hey. Oh, heck no, I'm backing up on you. You're an ass.
I died, Pink. Over.
Press the buttons. Press the buttons. Press the buttons. Oh, you're on the side. Press the buttons.
Ah!
Press the buttons.
Whoever stole the freaking crossbow with the flash.
Ah.
I'm telling you, it's gonna blow. One bug.
This thing's not selling. It's not doing expedition. Come to soup. Got crossbow with
Oh,
the
it's stuck! He's stuck!
flashlight from the.
Go! Run! Just run! Ah! Pink!
I'm already going to lobby.
And yeah, guys.
You go back. I'm at the slide. Does anyone want to go to a private lobby?
It's gonna be really
Bye, guys. Make sure to like and subscribe. And have a good day, guys. Bye! I just did that because it really gets weird. What was that?
You've been in the day.
Another day. Another day. Another day. Does anybody else play Fortnite 24/7? Okay. Bye, guys. Make sure to like and subscribe and have a good day, guys. Bye.
4.